In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can use these websites over here, such as this website on the screen, clickbank.com, Kartra.com, boulderall.com, digistore24.com to make passive income and money online in 2021. And this website over here, guys, will run everything for you on complete autopilot. The software generates and does everything for you. You just need about 20 to 30 minutes to set this up. I know this sounds a little bit too good to be true, but if you watch this video until the end, you'll understand exactly what I mean and you'll understand the entire process so you can be on your way to make money online in 2021. Guys, if you want to make money online and get your first affiliate sale or any kind of commission and profits online, make sure that you watch this video until the end. This is information that I've learned from multiple courses online that I'm now posting on my YouTube channel on the daily. So if you haven't yet, make sure to go down below and subscribe down below to this channel with the bell on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a brand new video just like this one, so you can get tons of resources, free courses and giveaways. That's cash giveaways every single day. So in today's video, I'm actually doing a course giveaway on my second channel. You'll see I'll be posting on this channel later today. The video is busy uploading as I speak. I'm doing a $397 course giveaway, and on this channel in tomorrow's video I'm doing a $20 giveaway. That's cash giveaway to your PayPal account or to your Bitcoin if you don't have PayPal in every single video. So make sure to come over to Millionaire Mindset Plus. I'll leave a link down below so that you can go and enter today's giveaway on my course. In this specific video, I'm going to do a $10 giveaway just to help you guys out, so make sure to watch until the end so that you can see how to enter that $10 giveaway. Alright guys, so this is the tool that I really want to show you. This tool is going to do all the work for you. It will automatically create videos with captions, text over the videos, professional looking videos with done for you content from just basic links that you can copy and paste in this tool, and it will basically generate that for you. And using those videos, all the content, everything that this tool does, you can go and use that to convert an audience into affiliate sales and make money online. Turn content into videos effortlessly. So all you do is you start from a blank page. With Lumen 5, all you do is you can copy from any article on the internet, paste it into this tool, and it will generate it into you a done for you video, professional video like this with captions so that people all over the world can see your videos and convert into affiliate sales. This tool does currently have a free plan, so you don't need to pay for it. Over here, just come over to lumen5.com, read through what they have, what you can do. You can have custom voiceovers and branding. You can generate high quality media that's done for you, videos, pictures in just minutes that you can use at your own rights. All you need to do, guys, is scroll up to the top of this website over here, click on login if you have an account, or sign up if you don't. Let me just show you the process. If you click on sign up, all you need is your full name, work email, your password, create an account. Once you've created an account, I'm just going to head back quickly. You can log in over here with your account, which will take you to a dashboard that looks like this. Over here, you just need to click on your profile, click on my videos over here. And over here, you can go and add a new video. So click on add new video. You can see here tons of done for you templates, such as a podcast recap template, a properties, a construction template, news, how to and tutorials, event recaps, ads that you can go and create done for you, and tons of other text to video templates over here that will turn done for you articles into these kind of videos. Just take a look at this. If I hover my mouse over this, you can see this video over here. Content marketing is the process of planning, creating. It's really, really professional looking. With the transitions, the overlays, easy for an audience to read, hear, and understand and grasp your content, and also keeps them on your videos, which plays a big role in converting an audience into affiliate sales and monetizing and making money off this tool that will generate these videos for you. Obviously, before I show you how to go and make money with these tools and this tool that's going to make these videos for you, we need a platform such as clickbank.com where we can go and find affiliate products to make money with. We can use Kartra.com. I'm personally an affiliate for this tool, and what I love about it, it pays true passive income as it pays 40% every single month. So one client pays you commissions for the rest of their life. Same with boulderall.com, two of the best affiliate programs I've ever promoted myself. At one stage, I was over $10,000 a month with Builderall, but then I moved over to Kartra as Builderall had tools that I just wasn't looking for. Another alternative is Digistore24, same as clickbank.com, where you can go and get tons of affiliate products to promote as an affiliate. For the purpose of this video, guys, I'm going to show you ClickBank and teach you how that works. So over here, I've logged into my ClickBank account. You can see tons of different affiliate products that you can go and promote as an affiliate, such as a get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube system, a ClickWealth system, a turn text to human speech like voice software, Vidly rank on #1, which is an SEO software, Scribble.com. This over here, this specific amount over here is what you're going to get paid per sale. So meaning if you go and promote this product, someone clicks your link, buys this product through your link, this person or business is going to reward you with $27.78 as a commission for selling their product for them. So what's great about affiliate marketing, you don't have to get any product for yourself. Everything is digital. You can make money anywhere in the world. You can promote a product anywhere in the world. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection, or even your mobile phone, and you can do this. So for example, let's say I choose this product over here, the 12-minute affiliate system, which is an entire course that teaches people how to make money online with affiliate marketing. So over here, I'm just going to leave this in a new tab. The next step is you want to come over to Google and you want to search 12-minute affiliate system, which is the name of your ClickBank product that you have chosen. Over here, you can see this is the 12-minute affiliate system, /medium.com. So what this simple trick does is it searches for specific keywords on a specific website. So you can use this Google trick for anything. You can search this keyword, for example, on Facebook, and it will pop up. You can see here on Google with all the different articles on medium.com related to the 12-minute affiliate system. Don't worry, we're not going to be posting any articles or anything like that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the top one over here simply because it's ranked at the top, meaning it's done a good job. People obviously click on it, people obviously read it because it's reached the top of Google and beats the rest of the competition. So we're going to use this article over here. Like I said, guys, you don't only have to use medium.com. You can just come over to Google and you can also type in 12-minute affiliate system reviews and use any articles or review websites that you find over here. So for example, this one over here says the 12-minute affiliate system review. You can copy this entire article here and use it in the software that I'm about to show you. So I'm just going to take this article again that I found on medium.com as the example for this video. So what you need to do is we need to keep this in a tab over here, come over back to Lumen 5 where we've created our new app, and we need to go and choose a template. So I'm just going to choose this one over here, this simple text to video document over here. You can either use a script, so you can copy and paste your own story content, or you can use your own blog and enter your own URL. That's where we're going to come over to medium.com, copy this entire URL, come over to Lumen, paste this again, and click on go. Over here, you can see this tool, Lumen 5, will generate for you done-for-you ads optimized for various different platforms. For example, for Facebook, a newsfeed video, a newsfeed ratio, which is for the mobile phone, a story or a carousel ad. Then on Instagram, it will optimize a video for you for the Instagram posts, stories, IGTV, Twitter, Snapchat, and YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and custom ones as well. For example, for this video, we're going to choose the YouTube templates over here. So you can see it's just going to generate for you and build your entire video from this article, which will take a couple of minutes. And over here, guys, you're going to see all the done for you video tabs. So you can see over here, the 12-minute affiliate system, kind of like a nice intro. And then it comes over to September 20th on the second slide. The 12-minute affiliate system is a plug and play system that finally makes affiliate marketing as easy. Why you should promote 12 affiliate minute system, reasons to promote the 12MA, and then it goes through all this video over here. And this is very simple, guys. Everything that you have on this article over here is now embedded and made into your own personal video that you can use. That's not a copyright issue because you can see it hasn't used everything from the article, so it's not word for word, but it has taken a lot of influence from the article that you've pasted into this tool. You can edit your video as you like. You can change the style, the different palettes. So for example, you can change it to like a pink looking color or a blue looking color. You can completely change this to how you like. You can see it's now changed to like a blue. You can completely change your music as well. So there's tons of other songs that you can use. You can use this one here, this one here. When you're ready to post your video, you can click on preview over here. You can see this is what it looks like. And it will basically play that entire video and render that and save that for you. And this is very powerful stuff, guys. You basically have a video that is done for you in this took me less than a minute to generate. I don't have to sit on Adobe Premiere or iMovie and take hours to edit this. It generated it for me in just a few minutes, saving you a ton of time, which is why this makes this so scalable and so profitable. So make sure to keep watching, because this is the gem that I'm about to show you. And what you need to do, guys, next is click on publish over here. You want to publish your video, and from there you want to go and upload your video to YouTube. But there's a few things that we need to understand before uploading our video to YouTube. You can see over here, you can download this directly to your PC here. Let me just close this before it makes a noise. On YouTube over here, what you want to go and do is you want to go and search your affiliate product and then the keyword review. You want to go over to other channels in your niche. For example, this guy over here, Joshua Older, let's open up his channel, and you can see they have been reviewing the 12-minute affiliate system. And all you simply want to do is go and create a review channel, whether it's an affiliate marketing channel or any channel. Let's say you've chosen a fitness product, a fitness channel. You want to go and post on YouTube. And there's a couple of tools that I want to show you that you can use for YouTube. For example, vidIQ. So vidIQ is a free Chrome extension that you can use to rank for keywords that have low competition but high search results, meaning a lot of people are searching for a specific term, but there's not a lot of competition trying to rank for that term, so you can go and create a video with that title. This tool will allow you to do that. This tool will also allow you to see tags from other viral videos that you can go and use to replicate virality. Another tool that I recommend for YouTube, a very powerful tool that I still use myself, called Video Marketing Blaster. So this tool takes 3 clicks, and it's all you need to rank on Google and YouTube. So all you do is you enter your keyword 12-minute affiliate system review into Google. It will generate for you a done for you title, done for you tags, done for you description that you need to copy and paste into your video to rank on the top page of Google, and you're going to get a lot of views. So for example, let's say you use Video Marketing Blaster. Just to show you what this tool costs, it's currently going for $27.99. It's currently going for $97, but I do have a special coupon code for you called Special70. If you want to have that coupon applied, head over to the link in the description that will say Video Marketing Blaster, and it will be marked down from $97 to $27 for you. This tool is not required, but it will help a lot. And over here, let's come back to the search term affiliate marketing system review here, and let's say you post a video, it goes to 2.9k views. Let's say 2 people convert off this video. That's just 2 people. You're going to make $166 per sale. So if I work that out, 166.96 times 2, that is $333 profits that you're going to make off just 2 people. Let's say you do this daily and you end up getting a sale a day. So that's now 166.96 times 30, that's now $5,000 a month, which is now $60,000 a year. So you can see how building a channel, building an audience over time with something like this that makes these done for you videos for you can build up a big stream of income over time. Over time, your channel can get monetized as well, and before you know it, you're getting paid $2,000 to $3,000 a month extra on your YouTube ad revenue on top of all of your affiliate sales. You can go and create multiple channels in multiple different niches, doesn't only have to be affiliate marketing, and make money through multiple channels and multiple ways of affiliate marketing. Also guys, if you want to win the chance to win my 6-figure drop servicing expert course over here, currently on huge special for $397, by the way, currently throughout the pandemic period, I value this course to be well over $19,000. You'll see over here, I've got an entire 26-minute free training that you can go and get on this. I'm also giving this away just in a bit, and also make sure to keep watching for that $10 giveaway. So if you want to get a 26-minute free training on what drop servicing is, on what's in this course, and you also see results from my stores, where my top store generated over $228,000 in 2020 profit with drop servicing. I reveal my exact service and exactly what I did in this course. If you want to stand the chance to win this course, come over to my second channel over here, Millionaire Mindset Plus. I'll leave a link down below in the description to take you to this channel directly. Make sure you've got the bell on, because I'm going to be posting today sometime soon after this video on how you can win this course and get $20 straight to your PayPal account. If you want to win the $10 that I've been having in this video, all you need to do is Go down below, leave your favorite quotes or comments or inspirational quotes in the comments down below. You must then leave a like on this video and then subscribe to this channel with the bell on. And I can see if you do have the bell on, so that must be checked, and make sure that you've done that. And then I will also announce in tomorrow's video the lucky $10 giveaway winner. So definitely make sure to go and do that. Don't forget to head over to my second channel over here so that you can win my 6-figure bootcamp. If you already want to check out that free training, make sure to go down below to the first link in the description, and I'll see you over here.